You've built an audience, thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands on YouTube and Facebook, but you don't want to show your face. Smart. You can keep your privacy, avoid the spotlight, and still turn that attention into steady income. This how-to guide walks through clear, practical ways to monetize a large follower base without ever revealing your face. By the end, you'll have a toolkit: content strategies, monetization channels, audience trust techniques, and production tips that keep things anonymous and professional. Decide on a persona and brand identity. First thing, create a consistent persona that isn't your face. Think voice, visuals, and values. Your persona can be a narrator voice with a signature tone, calm, witty, educational. An avatar or illustrated character that appears in thumbnails and profile pictures. A brand name rather than a person, e.g., Night Owl Reviews. Decide on a color palette, logo, and typography. Consistency builds recognition. Viewers associate those elements with reliability. Be explicit about what your channel stands for. Are you entertaining, educational, or inspirational? That clarity shapes every monetization opportunity because brands and platforms want predictable, loyal audiences. 2. Choose content formats that work without a face. Some formats naturally hide your face but are highly engaging. Voiceover videos, tutorials, listicles, explainers with B-roll, screen recordings, or stock footage. Animation and motion graphics, fully animated series, whiteboard explainers, character-driven shorts. POV hands-only content, cooking, crafts, unboxings, tech teardowns, camera focuses on hands and products. Screen capture and commentary, gaming, software walkthroughs, coding tutorials. Text on screen or slideshow narratives, quote videos, historical summaries, or top 10 lists. Pick one or mix several. The key is high production value, tight editing, clear audio, and crisp visuals. Your voice or text must carry personality, so viewers connect without seeing your face. 3. Build multiple revenue streams. Platform monetization. YouTube Partner Program. Ad revenue from views. Optimize for watch time and engagement to maximize CPM. Facebook in-stream ads and stars. Eligible pages can earn from mid-roll ads and viewer tips. Sponsorships and brand deals. Pitch brands with a professional media kit, audience demographics, engagement rates, average views, and past campaign examples. Offer formats that don't require your face. Voiceover endorsements, product shots, text overlays, or branded animation. Develop long-term partnerships for stability. Recurring series, sponsored segments, or native product integrations. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and include affiliate links in descriptions and pinned comments. Use concise, helpful reviews and calls to action. Track which formats convert best. Hands-on product demos and honest comparison videos perform well. Digital products. Sell ebooks, templates, presets, or printables that align with your niche. Create video courses or exclusive tutorials behind a paywall. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or Patreon work great. Memberships and subscriptions. Launch channel memberships, Patreon tiers, or Facebook subscriptions with exclusive perks, early access, behind the scenes, downloadable assets, or private communities. Offer faceless perks, downloadable scripts, downloadable overlays, raw audio files, or members-only video uploads. Merch and physical products. Branded merchandise doesn't need your face. Logo tees, stickers, themed mugs, or niche-specific products. Consider dropshipping to avoid inventory headaches. Keep designs consistent with your visual brand. 4. Create trust without showing your face. Trust is currency. You can be anonymous and trustworthy by emphasizing transparency and quality. Be consistent and reliable. Publish on a schedule. Predictability equals trust. Use a stable, authentic voice. People connect with tone and values more than features. Show process and proof. Behind-the-scenes shots of tools, workspaces, hands, and results. Case studies and before-after comparisons establish credibility. Share social proof, testimonials, positive comments, screenshots of emails or DMs, blur personal details, and success metrics. Protect your privacy while being open about boundaries. Explain why you don't show your face, comfort, security, creative preference, and viewers will respect that. 5. Optimize content for discoverability and revenue. Small optimizations compound. Thumbnails and titles. Use bold graphics, readable text, and high contrast colors. Faces aren't mandatory. Icons, expressive typography, and product close-ups work. SEO-first descriptions and tags. Write detailed descriptions, include keywords early, and add relevant tags. On Facebook, use captions and optimized first lines since autoplay behavior differs. Strong hooks and watch time focus. Start with a compelling question or promise in the first 5 to 10 seconds. Structure videos to retain viewers. Teaser, deliver value, call to action. CTAs that match your anonymity. Download the template below. Check links in the description. Join the private group. Keep CTAs natural and helpful. Repurpose content. Clips for reels and shorts. Audiograms for podcasts. Quote cards for Instagram. Each format opens a new revenue path or audience segment. 6. Pitch sponsors and close deals without a face. Your pitch needs to be professional and data-driven. Media Kit Essentials, audience demographics, platform analytics, top-performing content, engagement rate, and case studies. Offer clear deliverables, number of posts, placements, and expected reach. Use anonymized metrics, export dashboards, and highlight top videos or posts. If you prefer, present aggregated stats rather than personal identity. Offer creative flexibility. Show how their product will be integrated into hands-only demos, voiceover endorsements, or animated explainers. Negotiate based on value. Use CPM, CPC, or flat fee models. Consider performance bonuses, affiliate style, for better alignment with brands. 7. Protect yourself legally and financially. Don't skip the basics. Contracts. Always have written agreements for sponsorships and freelance work. Include deliverables, timelines, usage rights, and payment terms. Disclosures. Comply with advertising rules. Include clear disclosure text and descriptions and on-screen overlays like sponsored or ad. Taxes and accounting. Track income streams, expenses, and invoices. Use a simple bookkeeping system or hire an accountant as revenue grows. Privacy and security. Use a business email, payment accounts, and consider a registered business name or LLC to separate personal identity. 8. Outsource and scale while staying anonymous. Scale smartly by delegating tasks you don't enjoy or that drain your time. Hire editors, animators, voice actors, or VAs for research and community management. You can work entirely through email and project platforms while remaining anonymous. Use brand guidelines and clear briefs to keep content on voice and on message. Automate repetitive tasks, scheduling, social posting, and invoicing. More efficient processes equal more creative focus. 9. Community and monetization balance. Don't sacrifice community for conversions. Engage regularly, answer comments, create polls, and run Q&As that can be text-based or audio-only. Offer free value alongside premium options. Followers will pay when they feel the free content already helps them. Respect feedback. Analytics tell you what works. Community feedback tells you why. Combine both when refining products and offers. 10. Examples and practical workflows. Here are reproducible workflows for 2 common faceless channels. Educational explainer channel. Script, record voiceover, assemble stock footage/motion graphics, edit for pacing, add captions and thumbnail, publish with affiliate links/downloadable PDF. Monetization. YouTube ads, affiliate links, paid course. Hands-on product channel. Plan product list, film hands-only demos with close-ups, record voiceover explanations, create short clips for reels/shorts,
Post long form on YouTube and full demos on Facebook.
Monetization, sponsorships, merch, affiliate links, Facebook stars. 11. Mindset and long-term growth. Think like a creator business owner. Prioritize sustainable growth, slow, steady, with diversified income streams. Test and iterate. Try new formats, measure results, then double down on what works. Protect your creative energy. Anonymity is a tool to focus on craft, not avoidance. Use it to build a brand that can outlive any single person. Quick checklist to get started this week. Pick one faceless format and commit to 4 to 6 videos. Build a simple media kit and record top analytics. Create one digital product or affiliate list to promote. Plan a pitch for one relevant brand. Set up a membership or Patreon with one compelling tier. Final note, you don't need to show your face to be trusted, profitable, or influential. With consistent branding, high-quality output, and multiple monetization paths, your voice, literal or brand, can be louder than any selfie. Keep the content useful, the offers honest, and the production professional. Privacy and profit can coexist beautifully. Now go create, optimize, and monetize, anonymously but undeniably.